If your eyebrows feel a little too shy for your face, you're not alone. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know to grow thick, well-groomed brows, naturally and effortlessly. Clean steps, real results, and a routine that actually works. Let's get into it. Oils that stimulate growth. Castor oil. One of the most trusted oils for hair growth. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, which stimulates hair follicles. Apply a small amount with a cotton swab before bed. Let it work overnight. Don't rush. Results take time. Coconut oil. It's more than just a kitchen staple. It deeply moisturizes and helps prevent breakage. Warm up a few drops, massage gently, leave it for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight. Olive oil, almond oil. Both are rich in vitamin E. They nourish, they strengthen. And if your brows are dry or patchy, these are great daily go-tos. Stimulating the follicles. Massage, simple but powerful. Take a minute or two each day, use your fingers or a spoolie, gentle circular motions, to boost blood flow and wake up those hair follicles. Natural remedies that work. Aloe vera gel, calming, cooling, and yes, great for brow growth. Apply the fresh gel, leave it for 30 minutes, then rinse. That's it. Egg yolk and honey, biotin from the yolk, hydration from the honey, a solid strengthening combo. Use it once or twice a week. Just 20 minutes, no more. Fenugreek paste. If you're ready for something next level, soak the seeds overnight, grind them into a paste, apply before bed, wash off in the morning. Onion juice. Smells? Yes. Works? Also yes. Rich in sulfur. Helps boost collagen. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse well, and maybe open a window. Lifestyle habits that support growth. Let's talk lifestyle. Because what you eat shows up on your face. Biotin, protein, zinc, eggs, nuts, spinach, lentils. Fuel your body, fuel your brows. Water, 2 to 3 liters a day. Your hair needs hydration, just like your skin. Sleep, 7 to 8 hours a night. No excuses. That's when your body and your brows recover. Stress, it's not just mental. It affects your hair growth too. So take a breather, slow down, unplug. Brow care and grooming tips. Avoid over-plucking. Seriously, put the tweezers away. Let your brows grow fully first, then shape. Be gentle. Use a mild cleanser. No harsh scrubbing, no alcohol-heavy toners. And if you're outdoors a lot, apply SPF. Yes, brows can get sun damage too. Advanced options, if needed. Need a boost? Try eyebrow serums. Look for ones with biotin or peptides. Apply as directed, then wait. Patience is the secret ingredient. Minoxidil? It works for some, but it's strong, made for scalp, not brows. Talk to a doctor before trying it. Eyebrow transplant? A permanent fix, but it's the last resort. It's surgical. It's pricey, but it works. That's your guide to better brows. Simple, effective, and easy to stay consistent with. Remember, small habits bring visible change. Take care of your brows, take care of your skin, and please, drink your water.